Namaskar everyone. How are you all? I hope you guys are fit and healthy at your place. So, today we will revise only. Why? Because we have Diwali holidays, right? तो आफ्टर दिवाली फिर आप चैप्टर 9 का एक्सप्लेनेशन भूल जाओगे. तो we will revise only, right? So we will revise question answer which are the toughest part in our syllabus, right? So learn all these question answer during your vacations. Okay. So we'll revise question answer from page number 46, chapter 4, soil. These are the question. Let's see. So our first question is give two ways in which soil is important for plants. See, we have to give two ways. ऐसे दो रास्ते दिखाने हैं जिससे हमें समझ में आए कि soil is important. Soil is very important for plants, right? So here is the answer. Soil provides nutrients and water to the plants. जो प्लांट्स के लिए सुपर ज़रूरी है, राइट? तो वो क्या है? इट्स वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. तो दैट दे विल गेट फ्रॉम soil, right? So this is the first way, and second is without soil plants would have no place to grow. Without soil plants can't grow, right? So this way in which soil is important for plants. Okay, now write down second question. Explain how soil is formed from rocks. We have to explain here कि rock से soil कैसे बनती है, right? तो answer is soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. We all know that soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks, right? Rocks जब टूटते हैं, break होते हैं, है ना? उससे क्या बनता है? उस process, वो बड़ी सी process होती है, and then क्या होता है? Soil बनती है, right? कैसे? See, the sun's heat, the rain and the wind also helped in the breaking down of rocks. See, who helps them to breaking down of rocks? सन से हीट यानी लगातार सन की गर्मी, फिर रेन, है ना, ठंडी, और फिर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पवन, विंड, राइट? तो ऑल दीज हेल्प्ड in the breaking down of rocks, right? Over the time rocks break into smaller pieces. फिर टाइम जाते जाते क्या होता जाता है? That rocks break into smaller pieces. फिर थोड़े छोटे छोटे टुकड़े होते जाते हैं. The process of breaking down of rocks lasts for thousands of years. यानी ये जो प्रोसेस है ये एक दो महीनों में नहीं, एक दो सालों में नहीं, बट हज़ारों सालों तक होती है. इफ़ वी वांट अ कपल ऑफ सॉइल ना, थोड़ी सी भी हमें सॉइल चाहिए ना, तो इट्स टेक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर, राइट? ये जो अभी हम सॉइल देख रहे हैं वो बहुत सालों पहले की प्रोसेस से बनी हुई सॉइल है, राइट? सो सॉइल है वो कैसे फॉर्म होती है? तो सॉइल इज़ फॉर्म by the breaking down of rocks. And who helps them? The sun's heat, the rain and wind help in the breaking down of rocks, and over the time rocks break into smaller pieces. फिर वो छोटे छोटे pieces में convert होते हैं, and then process of breaking down of rocks lasts for thousands of years, right? How this is soil formed. Now see the question number 3. Name 4 things that soil contains. मतलब soil है वो क्या contain करती है? We have to name 4 things, right? Now see, soil contains humus, clay, sand, pebbles, air and water. आई हैव रिटन मैनी, जो सॉइल कंटेन करता है वो सारी मैंने लिखी है यहाँ पे. बट इन दी एग्ज़ाम अगर क्वेश्चन है कि राइट 4, सो आपको मैक्सिमम 4 लिखेंगे तो भी मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. ओके, सो what does soil contains? Soil contains humus, clay, sand, pebbles, air and water. Right? Now see the fourth one. What happens when we heat some garden soil in a covered container? This is our experiment, right? We have done yesterday. So what happens when we heat some garden soil in a कवर्ड कंटेनर? अगर हम सन की गर्मी से भी उसे गर्म कर रहे हैं या फिर किसी कंटेनर में हमने सॉइल डाली और गैस या फिर लैम्प की हेल्प से गर्म की सॉइल, तो भी what happened? See, answer is when some garden soil is heated in container covered with lid, drops of water are formed on the lid. Right? This shows that soil contains water. What happened when some garden soil is heated? No, तो क्या होता है, कंटेनर में हम गर्म करते हैं, राइट, लीड से कवर करके, तो ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर आर फॉर्म्ड ऑन दी लीड. लीड पे क्या होते हैं, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स के छोटे छोटे जो बूंदे हैं, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट से वो फॉर्म्ड होने लगती है. राइट, दिस शोज दैट सॉइल कंटेन्स वाटर. यही दिखाता है कि सॉइल में क्या है, वाटर होता है. और वो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स कैसे आए, बिकॉज जो सॉइल में वाटर है, व्हेन वी हीट दैट वन, इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. राइट, दैट वाटर कन्वर्ट्स इनटू vapor. Right, and when vapor cools down, it's convert into water droplets. It's so easy. It is the whole process of evaporation and condensation. Right? ये बहुत ही important है, मैंने तभी भी बोला था ये हर बार आएगा. Okay, तो keep it in your mind. So what happened when we heat some garden soil in a covered container? So answer is when some garden soil is heated in container covered with lid, drops of water are formed on the lid. This shows that soil contains water. Okay, put full stop. Don't forget to put full stop, comma and all. Okay, and मैंने यहाँ पे आंसर ANS नहीं लिखा, but in notebook you have to write down all of these. Okay, now see the fifth one. Give any 2 uses of soil. You have to write down 2 uses of soil. Okay, so first of all, plants need soil to grow. Plants need soil to grow. अगर plants को grow होना है तो they need soil, right? Take in water and nutrients from the soil. जो ये plants है वो क्या करते हैं, they get water and nutrients from the soil. उन्हें कहाँ से ये nutrients और water मिलता है, they get from soil, right? And where we get nutrients and water and all, we also get from plants, है ना? Plants get from that soil and we get from plants. Now see, all these question answer you have to write down in your fair notebook. Okay, we are going to repeat it. Listen to me very carefully कि कैसे read करना है. Okay, so our first question is, give 2 ways in which soil is important for plants. So here is your answer. Soil provides nutrients and water to the plants, right? Without soil, plants would have no place to grow. Second question is, explain how soil is formed from rocks. Answer is, soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. The sun's heat, the rain and the wind also helped in the breaking down of rocks. Over the time, rocks break into smaller pieces, and the process of breaking down of rocks lasts for thousands of years. This is the answer of these question. Second question. Now see the third one. Name 4 things that soil contains. Answer is soil contains humus, clay, sand, pebbles, air and water. Right? Fourth one is what happens when we heat some garden soil in a covered container. So answer is when some garden soil is heated in container covered with lid, drops of water are formed on the lid, right? This shows that soil contains water and that water converts into vapor when it heated, right? And when that vapor cools down, it convert into water droplets in a inner side of the lid, right? Now see the fifth question. Give any 2 uses of soil. So here is the first one. Plants need soil to grow and take in water and nutrients from the soil. Right? These are the 2 uses of soil. यहाँ पे 2 times take है, but it is by mistake. So you have to write down take in water and nutrients from the soil.